We've had a lot of questions from people in the airline industry as well, asking, what that means for arrivals and departures.
Absolutely. I think they're already being hammered completely. This is really putting them at risk because, again, under the current proposals that are not law, so don't panic, don't go off the rails yet. But, that would say that if you come back and you do 10 flights to Australia with 4-day layovers, then, you better not come back to Australia for holidays. Yeah. And that is ludicrous. That is completely ludicrous. And again, we're going against long-held conventions that if you're down in Australia just for the sake of work, there should be no discouragement or no implication on your residency because that is not a relocation. And therefore, we are in danger with these proposals of oversimplification. And we have to be very, very clear to bring that to the attention of the government for everybody's protection.